Hey guys, Majimbo here. So for today's video, we are going to unbox and review something that I bought to add aesthetics to my PC, which is the DarkFlash LightGlow series, LG01 and LG02. Let's go. So these are the DarkFlash LightGlow series LG01 and LG02. I came across these products on Shopee while I was searching for DarkFlash INF34, which are case cooling fans that I really like but was not yet available in the Philippines. I didn't know that DarkFlash had these RGB accessories and saw that the price wasn't that expensive. LG01 is the 24-pin ARGB extension cable, which is the one we attach to the right side of the motherboard, while LG02 is the 6+2 ARGB extension cable, which is the one we attach to the GPU. LG01 has a gelatinous shell with size of 285 by 57 by 18mm and 183mm silicone tube for the RGB. The cable has a male and female 24 pins from each side. LG02 has a gelatinous shell with size of 345 by 40 by 18mm and 253mm silicone tube for the RGB. The cable has two male and female 6+2 pins from each side. Both have a rated voltage of 300 volts and light voltage of 5 volts for the RGBs and have a 5-volt 3-pin ARGB port which you can connect to either the MOBO directly or an LED controller hub, in my case, the controller from DarkFlash Infinity 24. As of this video, LG01 costs around 2,000 pesos or $34, while LG02 is around 1,700 pesos or $29. As you can see, I am bending the cables and so far, they are flexible but durable. You can feel the rubber effect on the tubes. So guys, this is now the final form of Bane Nebula, and let's check out some light shows. And there you have it, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.